Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to create a brush stroke text effect. Choose a paintbrush textures image and add it on your canvas above a white background. Create a text layer under the brush image. Right click the brush image and choose the create clipping mask. The brush textures will fill your text beautifully and add a soft gradient overlay for extra color. Use blending option for more contrast. Apply drop shadow for natural depth. Duplicate the text layer for boldness and also add background paint splashes using brushes. Adjust opacity for balancing. Merge the visible layers and preview and add highlights using dodge tool. Insert your watermark or tagline. Save your brush stroke